Yo, hey, it's me. Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Vade Vittles here, guys. And today, guys, I don't know what I just heard, but I heard something outside. You might hear my dog barking in this recording, but I think I just heard someone get raped. Because it was the loudest scream ever. It was like, ah! It sounded like someone was getting raped. And I think someone did get raped. It literally sounded like someone got raped. I'm so scared right now. I don't know what to do. Because there's this one fat kid who came, he's like, with his glasses. I don't know who he is, but I don't know what's happening right now, guys, but I'm going to get up for a second. Hold on. There's two kids playing. I could have sworn, guys, I heard a freaking. Have you guys ever watched this one part from a movie? You can get it on YouTube. It's just a part of a. Here, I'll show you. Kind of sad, but I'm gonna show it to you anyway. I don't know. This is what I heard here. No. Let me find it. Right here, guys. This is so sad. Just listen.
Come on.
It says, come on. Just watch. I feel so bad.
What are you taking?
This is one of the craziest scenes ever in a movie.
Come back and what?
This is one of the craziest scenes ever. Ready?
Look at me, boy. Don't you lose your temper with that man. This is world. We just living in it. You hear me? Now get on back to work.
Just watch, guys. This is so sad.
What you gonna do?
Hey.
Watch. Now watch. So yeah, guys. I'll see you guys later. Peace.